Today we are going to put together alphabet soup teaching tubs. Let's get started. First we need a bucket. It's empty. Let's put it together. Let's get a lid and let's put the letters on it. We'll start with the top of the tub, the lid, and we are going to put the letter A. You will see the uppercase and lowercase a. Nice. Now, let's do the front of the tub and we'll put an uppercase A and a lowercase a sticker on it. Beautiful. Now, let's do the bottom of the lid. It has an uppercase A and a lowercase a, and there are things we need to find to put in the bucket. First is an apple. Ooh. Next, we need an alligator. Next, let's find an ant. Ooh, it's a tiny ant. Next, we need an anchor. You see those on boats and ships. Next, we need an acorn. That's a seed off a tree. Next, we need to find an apron. Some people wear aprons to keep their clothes clean while they cook or clean. Apron. Let's review and put in the bucket the things we found. We had an apple, an alligator, an ant, an anchor, an acorn, and finally an apron. But wait, we're not done. We need an uppercase A. There it is. Let's put that in the bucket. And now we need a lowercase a. There it is. Now the bucket is truly complete. Let's put the lid on it. After the letter A is the letter B. We'll do that one next. See you next time.